She couldn't read or write, but she was very self-assertive. She even told me a story once about her with a heavy Yiddish accent. She said, Bernie, and I was a lawyer at the time, a young lawyer. She said, Bernie, you know, your bobe is an escaped criminal. I said, what? She said, we was striking at the clothing factory, and the police came with the pettywagon, and they arrested me, and they put me with my girlfriend and Mary, and we went into the pettywagon. And then they went to get more goyles to lock up, and while they were gone, we jumped out, and we ran away, and they never catched me yet. And she was very self-assertive and self-reliant. She was a wonderful, wonderful lady. She used to send me packages when I was in the Army, not just for me, but to give to the other soldiers in the barracks.